An accountable leader takes full responsibility for outcomes without explaining any excuses away. That's the APs, well, the parents, well, these kids. It's the same with me at this point. Your scores I just got here, the scores right here and from your campuses, they're mine. And however good or bad they are, I will own them. They belong to me too now. So we're working really hard, fast to shift it immediately, not to wait until August.
I know that the scores dropped when you first got here and then they're back up a little bit. Tell me what your expectation is for the scores this year. Okay.
Hello there. Oh, y'all look at, gotta go and share with y'all.
There's gotta be something that isn't the responsibility of the sub, but there's someone in here prepping the class. Your state accountability this year. Stay the same, up, down.
It has to improve.
It does have to improve.
Yes, overall, we came in at 56 was a decrease from.
If you've internalized, you know exactly what's coming, you've got notes on it, you're ready to go, and you're confident.
And you know, Anna, I've heard people say teachers are scared, teachers are leaving by droves. I want to tell any teacher in BISD that's watching this, listening to this, if you've submitted your resignation and you can overcome your fear, I would actually love for you to rescind that resignation and give this a shot. Because I'm not here to fire you. I'm here to support you and to coach you and to grow you.